Hi guys, my name is Chloe for Tapa Buffalo here. Today I got a first taste of KFC. Here we go. So now I got fried chicken and coleslaw and mashed potatoes. I got me some hot tea to drink with it. So let's give me the chicken try. Here we go.
I got it right there.
Mmm.
Will, you got a biscuit?
No good fun.
You don't want a biscuit?
No good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, look how crispy chicken it was.
I knew how to make gravy.
Mmm.
Sausage. If we could have biscuits and gravy.
I don't like biscuits and gravy.
That's
I know you
delicious.
do, but I don't.
I do.
Willie does.
I know. That's what I'm talking about. Willie and I.
Mmm. Oh, fried chicken is so good. Mmm.
How good?
It's good fried chicken.
You're supposed to say, good.
Mmm, good. Mmm. Oh yeah, man. Oh.
Yeah, you take some cookies with you tomorrow.
Okay, Mom.
I made those and I made these.
Oh, no. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's so good.
No, I was shocked there was no tax.
Coleslaw, yeah.
No tax.
No tax.
Oh, tax? Yeah, we don't have food tax out here.
Some places they do. But not all.
So delicious.
So,
Now let's try mashed potatoes and gravy.
I like
Mashed
big cookies.
potatoes. Mmm.
Okay.
Those mashed potatoes so good. Mmm. Try my last chicken. Mmm. Mmm. They're so crispy and good.
Take care of those things that
So delicious. Mmm.
Who are you, Jason? It's pretty out tonight, Bella.
So good. Mmm. 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 Wow. That chicken is crispy and tasty. Mm. Mm. Oh, it's so good.
Alright. Bella, let's go out for the snow.
Mm.
Yeah, I got a 22-pound bag of
That's good, Bonnie.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah.
That's good. Mm. Mm. So there you have it, guys. On my first taste of KFC, everything. Don't forget, guys. And then be sure to hit strike and above and female notifications while you at it. Yeah, be sure to follow me on my twitter.com/WilliamWeist and my Facebook page /WilliamWeist for video update on the videos. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Take care.